Good morning, preschools. Now, there are a lot of questions being asked as to how do we run a school in the post-COVID situation. आप इस post-COVID में अपने स्कूल को किस तरह रन करें, पेरेंट्स को किस तरह कन्विंस करें. You are not getting admissions. Lot of preschools are closed. Through this webinar in the next 4 minutes or 5 minutes, I'll try to explain the entire thing. We will be doing these webinars in a bilingual thing also. I may record one in Hindi and one in other languages as the time goes by. But I would like all the preschools to pay attention on what is being said. I'll be sharing my screen now to show you an entire demo on how do you run the preschool in this COVID situation, because as we know कि COVID is increasing, बढ़ते जा रहा है COVID with every passing day, right? So now, in order to fight this situation, you need to start a systematic schooling. Now, schools who are waiting for June to start, who are waiting for COVID to end, I would say you please start your school. We are talking of a hybrid schooling wherein you start your school now. आप अपनी स्कूल आज शुरू करते हैं, you start taking admissions, run your regular classes, and as soon as your school reopens, let us say that the COVID situation ends. In that case, you switch over to a normal schooling. So when you talk of a hybrid schooling platform, I would say any video conference solution does not basically speak of hybrid schooling. When you basically go for video conferencing, it is only a conversation. Now, when you talk of a school, there are many other aspects which are involved in running a school, including your academics and your academic reporting. So I am giving you a demo. Please look at the screen. This is the user ID and password of the child. So to start with, every child has to be given a unique identity, right? You have to convince parents that this is the way the schooling is going to go. You cannot escape from the fact that education has to survive, and there is a way in which education has to be imparted. So the first part, every child given a unique identity through a portal. You sign in, right? Now with this sign in, you have the photographs of the child, your school name, everything customized. The first thing which you start in the portal is your attendance, right? You check the child attendance and you record it. You take it through your portal, record it, record the number of days the child has attended school. The second thing is you have your calendar ready. When you are going to teach what, the parents are to be informed on the fact that this is the way education, this is the way the scheduling, this is the way the whole academic is to happen. Very important. Random academics on a call, on a conference call does not work. You have to have a system. So this is the scheduler. You need to plan your studies, right? Apart from the scheduler, for leisure reading, what does a child do in his spare time? There is a full-fledged stock library, right? Wherein you have world-class interactive books for the kids. So through these interactive books, you keep the child engrossed in his leisure time. Next, once you are done with the first part, the most important part is basically your academic study. So we have this box with the entire book set. Now, as I'm telling this, as I'm telling you, right, hybrid schooling imparts that once the COVID situation is over, you still have these books where you're already taught. And till the point of time the COVID is there, these are books with inbuilt worksheets, with inbuilt notebooks, with inbuilt planners, with the inbuilt scheduling. So as a school, as an academician, as a teacher, you do not have to do anything. We have converted these books into world-class ebooks for your teaching purposes. So when you teach, the book should be displayed displayed on a bigger screen. So these books have been converted into a digital format for you to teach on a digital screen. And these are aligned books as per the physical books. Now there are a lot of portal, lot of schools, lot of teachers who are teaching on random worksheets, right? Please do not teach on random worksheet. Please keep a book which is aligned to the syllabus. Your digital formatted learning should basically match with your physical learning. That is the way hybrid education goes. Apart from that, we have also added a smart book to the portal. So in case the child misses his classes, right? The child cannot attend classes. He is not addicted to the entire conference thing. Say he's a playgroup child. We have given a book which has e-learning inbuilt on the book itself. Apart from the e-learning part, we have a teacher talk. That is the actual teacher lecture. So this is the book which is entirely inbuilt in a way that is incorporates your teacher learning, your e-learning, your teacher's lectures, a small puzzle for the child. So you promote self-learning also in a way where the mothers are taught how to make the child learn. Apart from that, this global book, which is the first developed across Asia, has a homework submission button. You can get the homework done through this physical book, get the homework submitted on the textbook itself. As I am telling you, the entire Asia has not seen a platform in this way. We have converted the books in a way that it eases the entire e-learning thing happening across the globe. Apart from that, after every after every lecture, you can assess the child, which is very important. We have been taking online lectures. There is no assessment happening. Apart from that, there are no records of assessment happening. We keep a permanent record of what the child has learned, how he has learned, how he is progressing. So this entire thing is covered through these smart books. That is, please understand your teacher's lectures, your e-learning, your exams, your homework submission, everything covered in one single book. And every month having a textbook, every month having a full set of books for you to train the child, which is very important into this scenario. Apart from that, as you can see on the screen, we have teachers lecture inbuilt for every topic, inbuilt teacher lectures. So as I was telling before, we are promoting self-learning also along with your e-learning, right? Because self-learning is also a need of the hour. So in case you're looking at playgroup nursery, you can actually take the self-learning kits, train mothers for self-learning and get the syllabus completed, because with the entire lectures, we have assignment submission, but we have created assessments for round the year, which are basically weekly, monthly, quarterly, semester, all the assessment given on the portal itself, which, as I was telling before, keeps a permanent record of what the child is learning. Because schools have missed out on the fact that you need to assess the child, give a report on the assessment to the parent, regulate the child's studies. All this is very important into their scenario, because we are looking at a situation where schools may not even start for the next 3 months. Apart from that, say you're taking offline exam, you're taking offline papers, we have uploaded all the offline papers for you on the portal. So you can basically download the paper, the parent can download the paper, he can take a print, he can submit the print also to the school through the portal, which is a permanent record for the child. So your online papers, your offline papers, your result record, all the exams which the child has appeared, all the exam which the child has taken, a permanent result record is also generated on the portal, which is very important for you. Apart from that, we have the progress charts, which analyzes the child's progress. Many people may not use it, but it analyzes the progress of the child automatically on the number of tests he has given you. We have coming up with augmented reality. We are also introducing a live classroom where you can start your lectures live through the portal itself, and we are doing a courses button on the portal wherein you can launch your own vacation courses. We are also launching our courses, and you can uh, keep the child occupied through these courses. So this is the entire portal through which we would tell you that with these book sets and a aligned portal, you need to start your regular schools immediately, charging a bare minimum fees, because that is the bracket which is very important for you. And you can convert your physical school irrespective of your boundaries, irrespective of the area you are. You can have a global preschooling coming, and if the school starts, you still have the books, the child is continuing with those books, and you can go on with the hybrid schooling. मैं स्कूल्स को बोल रहा हूं कि प्लीज आप अपने स्कूल्स को स्टार्ट कीजिए. इस पोर्टल में सब है. वी आर completing each and every aspect of learning. In case you have a suggestion, we basically incorporate this aspect. In case you have something else in mind regarding the portal, we are here to help you out. But the idea is bring up schooling, bring up schools which have lost, bring up students who have lost their studies, especially playgroup and nursery students, and start with a continuing education progress. So we are coming up with separate models, and we would be informing you on this model. Till that time, please have a look at the portal. Please start this, and we are here to provide you all the stuff required to run your virtual schools. Thank you very much, and we'll connect on a later period in the next language. Thank you.